안녕하세요. Welcome to Paperclip's extended version. Today we are talking about pardon in Korean. Right. So this is super common. I want you to know that because so as a learner, like language learner, you might have a chance to say this so many times, right? So pardon or pardon me or sorry. When I learned English for the first time, so I just learned this expression and then I use it so many times. So maybe you might need this too. Okay, so pardon in Korean, what is it? Okay, so there are several versions here. Okay, number one, before we get into it, I want you to know this expression first. 다시, again, and 한 번, once. Okay, yes, what? How can you say in Korean? 네? So simple, right? Right? So if you don't understand what a native says, and then you can say 네, and then he or she would explain it again. Okay? So 네, this is so common. And then what is it? What was it? 뭐라고요? 뭐라고요? So 뭐 is what is it? 뭐. So 뭐 is abbreviation of 무엇. Got it? So this is like shortened version. So 뭐. So 무엇이라고요 is original answer, but we can just make it short because we are in conversation. So 뭐라고요 is more common. Okay? So 뭐라고요? And then I couldn't hear you. So hear. So what is the Korean word for hear? To hear? 듣다. You know that? 듣다. So there is a variation of this verb. So 못 들었어요. So 들었어요 is like I heard. Right? And then 못 is what is it? So this is the function of can't. Right? So if you can't do something, and then you should use this word, 못. So this is like adding word. And then 잘 is like well, right? So sometimes you can use this, or sometimes you don't need to. So 잘 못 들었어요 or 못 들었어요. Either is fine. So both are right. So you can choose it. And then okay, so 잘 못 들었어요. So if we put things together, what is it? 못 들었어요. I couldn't hear you well. That's what it says. Okay, last one. Would you say that again? So in order to know this word, this sentence, and then we need to know this verb first. Say, to say. What is in Korean? 말하다. Got it? 말하다. Okay, so 말해 something. So see that? So 말해 came from 말하다, which means to say. So 한 번, once, and then 다시 is again. So 다시 한 번, once again, 말해 something. So 뭐뭐 해 줄래요 is what is it? This is requesting word, right? So when you request something to someone, and then you can use this expression, right? 뭐뭐 해줄래요? 해줄래요. So if we put things together, what is it? Would you say that again? Just like this. 다시 한번 말해줄래요? Okay, so but that's not the end, right? So this is level 1 honorific. Okay, so what about level 2 honorific? Actually, this is more common. What is it? 다시 한번 말씀해 주시겠어요? Or 다시 한번 말해 주시겠어요? So when I said 주시겠어요, this is like level 2 honorific, right? 줄래요 is level 1 honorific, and then 주시겠어요 is level 2 honorific. This is more polite, and I would say this is more common, right? So I want you to know this expression as well. Okay, so if you have some class with your teacher, Korean native teacher, and then you don't understand something, and then so you can just ask her or ask him, could you say that again? And then you can use this expression. Okay, 다시 한번 말해줄래요? Or 다시 한번 말해주시겠어요? Okay, let's practice. 네? 뭐라고요? 잘 못 들었어요. 못 들었어요. 다시 한번 말해줄래요? 다시 한번 말해주시겠어요? 다시 한번 말씀해 주시겠어요? That's it for today.